Hello everyone. So this is a video on the planning applications data that we have available within Landhawk. So the planning applications are found in the control center at the top here. So if we flick these on, it will zoom into a location and all of the planning application dots will appear. So the dots and the colors relate to the key on the right hand side over here, as you can see. And then the size of the dot relates to how big the planning application is. So over here on the left, if we hover over this, we can see that large applications are more than 40 dwellings, medium is between 10 and 40, and then small applications are less than 10. So the default date automatically goes back to the 1st of January 2023. And the reason for that is because we've got historic planning data in here as well. Where the local authorities have that data, this data can go back sort of 20 to 25 years. So we would always suggest using these filters in the submitted date and the decision date, really just to be able to sort of focus on the recent planning applications. From here, you can filter it by size, as discussed. So if we look for medium, we can then look for projects with a specific status. So let's say we're looking for ones that have been permitted. We can then look for ones with a certain type of consent, so whether this is full or outline, so we can tick these on here. We can then put keywords in here, so things like residential or for solar, for example. And then you can also look for a specific number of dwellings as well. Once you you can see all the planning application dots that you're after, you can then click on these as well. And what it will do is it will give you the address of the planning application. It will give you the site postcode. It will give you a description of what the application is for. We can also see the application type. So we can see here that it's a full planning consent that's been permitted. We can see the application size. We're also given the planning application reference number, and we also then have a link here straight through to the planning application on the local authority website. We can also see the start date of the application and then how old that application is as well. Within this, you can also see that it says 1 of 2 here. So that's because there have been multiple planning applications on that particular parcel, and you can then click on this and it will take you straight through to what that next planning application is as well. Definitely have a play around with this, and if you've got any questions, any queries, please do get in touch with myself or a member of the team. Thank you.